Today's Clear Impact Biohack you only have to do once and it will improve the quality of your sleep forever.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Carl. We're Clear Impact Biohacking for Beginners. We help you calm your mind,
Increase cognitive and physical energy,
and live life with more vitality.
and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks.
Did you know that your clock radio might be impacting your quality of sleep?
Yeah, something that simple actually does have a big impact on your biology.
Right, so any light that we're exposed to through the night, especially blue light,
Yeah.
is going to decrease our body's ability to create melatonin.
Yeah, and you don't realize the ways that this is occurring, but that blue frequency light, which is most of that white looking light, is everywhere.
Right.
Think about some of the gadgets that you have. Your cell phone is obviously a big one, your computer screens, your TVs in your room. These all have that white blue frequency light.
I remember when I was younger, I used to fall asleep watching the TV all the time.
Yeah.
Wake up 7 hours later and there's fuzz in front of me.
Sure.
Just blasting me all night with that light.
Yeah,
right?
and now it's our phones.
Right.
A lot of us are living with those in our hands while we sleep.
So we can not have those in our room. Don't have your phone in your room. Don't have your computer in your room.
You don't want to hear that, I know that, and I get that, but it does impact your biology, so it's just recognizing that
Right.
it diminishes your quality of
You
sleep.
can get rid of your night light. We could block out the light coming in from outside.
Yeah.
If it's just moonlight, you're out. You live out in the country. That's great because it's a very low level light.
Yeah.
But if it's street lights or floodlights you have outside your house,
Yeah.
those things are pumping lots of light into your room. So
Yeah.
we want to block that out.
Yeah, and it's important to know why, right? So you all of a sudden get this blue frequency light hitting your eyes, and it actually it diminishes your body's ability to run off of that 24-hour cyclical clock, the circadian rhythm, which is running off of a natural light and dark cycle. So when you have this light in your room, you're throwing your biology into a setting that's most of the time thinking it's in the afternoon. So it's not producing that melatonin to help your brain fall asleep.
So what's our hack for this week, Adam?
Well, we want to darken the room. So that's what we're looking at. We want to get that room as dark as possible.
Okay, so we talked about the different ways to do that. We're going to block off our window with some blackout curtains or whatever other manner you want to block out the light coming in the window.
Yeah.
We're going to get rid of the night light.
Yeah, get rid of the night light or change it to a red light.
Right.
That's an important thing too. If you have kids and they want to have a little light, get it to be a red light, not that blue frequency light.
Right. Get rid of our electronics. We don't need those in our room.
Yeah.
And what else? Is there anything else? Oh, the clock radio.
I mean, if your electronics in your room, fine, leave it in your room, but just make sure it's not on, right? It's
Yeah.
not emitting the blue frequency for you.
Yeah.
So
And cover up that clock radio, the LED lights coming from the clock radio, or at worst, at least turn it away from you.
Yeah, turn it away from you or stick it against the wall, and if you need to look at it, you pull it off the wall and then you can see the numbers, but
Right.
ideally it's not even there.
And so your challenge this week, sometime in the next 7 days, black out that bedroom and then be present to it and see how you feel in the morning. Do you notice any difference? Are you feeling better? And we want you to come back after the week and share with us on this channel what you experience.
Yeah, and we love learning from you, the community. So if you have a very impactful way that you help to have that restful sleep, share it with us.
Right. And thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, subscribe now for more impactful, easy to implement biohacks.
We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind
Increase your cognitive and physical energy.
and live with more vitality.
Oh yeah!